This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start immediately by prepping the nail surface, clean oils and shape. Once done, push cuticles and buff gently to create micro-adhesion. Apply one thin base coat to each nail. Make sure to cure properly, LED 30 seconds or UV 60 seconds, so it's tacky but set. After curing, lightly wipe the inhibition layer with 91% alcohol if the product directions require it, because chrome powder sticks best to a slightly tacky surface rather than a fully dry one. You now apply the chrome dust. Pick a dense brush or silicone tool for smooth pressure. Make sure to tap a tiny amount of powder onto the nail and rub in circular motions. You'll see the mirror effect form in 30-60 seconds. Continue until reflective and even, spending about 0.5 to 1 minute per nail. Once achieved, sweep away excess powder with a clean, soft brush and inspect for streaks. Fix them now by re-rubbing the area before moving to the top coat. You finish by sealing the chrome. Apply a thin, glossy top coat. Cure fully to lock the powder in place and prevent rubbing off. Once cured, apply a second thin layer if needed for durability. If you notice smudges, don't oversand. Gently re-smooth and apply another thin top coat. If lifting or chipping appears later, remove the polish, re-clean, and repeat the prep steps. This fixes adhesion failures and prevents recurring lifting by restoring a clean base for bonding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.